Hi guys, Ian at PaintTech. I just want to talk about being a sprayer. You'll start with an addiction. We all end up there sometime. My addiction obviously is sprayers, and this is part of my spray fleet. Okay, I've got other machines, but this is my Tritech fleet. I started with this bad boy, a T5, 5 years ago. We were at the P&D show, and the guys from Tritech came over and asked us to do one little job for them if we could. Could we take this machine and try and break it? Trust me, my guys have right royally taken the piss, all right? They've thrashed the crap out of it. It's bomb-proof, okay? It's had one service. I've repacked it myself once because I kind of wanted to see how easy it was, and I've changed the prime valve when in fact I should have just taken it off, given it a good clean and put it back. It's fantastic, it just keeps banging away. It's absolutely awesome. What I wanted to do was see what the difference was between a T5 and a T4, so I bought one. So I've got the T4, and is there any difference? To be fair, if you were running them side by side, yes, you'd probably see a bit of a difference. This does have a bigger motor. So you do see a slight difference, not enough to worry about, but because 9 out of 10 times these are generally on two different jobs, we never know any difference. I decided to do a trim setup, as I call it. So that's a shorter hose with a whip hose, etc. And I added a hopper. So this hopper is really good. It's universal. It fits on all of the Tritech machines across the board. So I've actually got two hoppers, and I'm going to put one on, obviously a T4 and a T5. Back to my original point with the addiction. As you can tell, my latest addiction is I've gone for another T5. I personally, with the kind of jobs that we do, I like them as carry carts, as I call them, on skids. I don't need them on wheels because the jobs that we do, these fit just right. They're in and out the van, easy enough. I just really like this particular setup. Two T5s, two T4s, honestly, nailing it, absolutely love it. Cool.